why garbage in, garbage out won't supersize your business, or it won't help you supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today for supersize your business to coincide with this year's annual challenge is garbage in, garbage out. I think this idiom became popular in the 20th century, so it's been around a lot of my lifetime, and it basically means that faulty inputs, meaning raw materials, beliefs, right? In our personal life, faulty beliefs will lead faulty results, right? Faulty raw materials. I was in manufacturing for a lot of my career, and I've been in and out of different manufacturing companies, but I owned an Italian food manufacturing company for 3.5 decades. And we learned over the years and over trial and error that the quality of the ingredients going into our products and services determined the output. We couldn't use low quality ingredients and get high quality products and services. It just didn't work that way. It still doesn't work that way. Yet millions of companies try it all the time. We're going to cut costs. We're going to save money. We're going to get a supplier that's the cheapest, and that's going to get us more profitability. But does it really? I worked in quality in corporate America in the quality field for most of my career, right? Went to school for engineering, but ended up actually doing only a few engineering products. Mostly was in management and leadership. And I focused on the area of quality because I loved it. It was like the area where I could stick my fingers in everybody's business, because quality involves everyone in every level, every part of the organization working together to create the outcomes that we want. Now, sometimes we choose that we don't want to make a super high quality product. We just want to get it out there and get it out there fast. And that's fine. We get to decide what we want to do with our businesses. But we always need to keep this in mind. Quality in, quality out. Raw materials, and I think it's rubbish in, rubbish out in the UK. But this idiom is credited to IBM instructor and programmer by the name of George Fussell, not sure how to pronounce his name, but it's very popular in mathematics and in computer sciences and computer technology, which is why it showed up in the 20th century and wasn't really popular before then. And I think we see it in all areas and aspects of our life. I absolutely know about garbage in, garbage out when it comes to my personal health and well-being and energy. If I am living on coffee, diet soda, jalapeno chips, guess what? I can do that for a while, but I can't do it in the long term personally because it causes me health challenges. And I think it's true in every area and aspect of our life, but no truer than with respect to the businesses that we're trying to grow and build and supersize. You can grow a big business and not worrying about garbage in, garbage out, but you're not going to supersize your business and actually create the positive impact you want on the world if you're not paying attention to your processes, your systems, your raw materials, the quality of your ingredients, the quality of all your processes, the quality of the energy the people that you have building your business with you are bringing to the organizations. It's why communication is so important, and that we share our expectations with people, because having clear expectations, clear goals also is an example of where we can fall down and end up in, garbage out. If our information isn't being shared in a quality way throughout the organization in the ways that it needs to be, we're not going to get the outputs and the results that we want. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom. I can literally think of hundreds of times in my life where I've seen garbage in, garbage out. If I feed my mind, or if I'm reading the wrong books or hanging out with the wrong people, for me, because it's different for each of us, I will notice it impacting my results in terms of how I'm showing up in the world. Share in the comments below your experience with garbage in, garbage out. I will be with you tomorrow with another idiom related to the No Nonsense November segment of our annual challenge. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.